Where should you invest in 2023? Trends are changing rapidly, and you don't know which sector will present the best opportunities in 2023. However, some sectors will dominate the market after 2023, and knowing about them today is valuable. Why not invest in them to pocket a handsome profit? Irrespective of what's happening today, some sectors in the stock market will create massive demand. Not everyone knows about them at this point, but if you put them on your list to invest in 2023, you can make a good profit. That's how genius investors make wealth. They know about the future market. In this video, we will tell you the 5 best sectors you can invest in 2023. By the end of this video, you will know why these sectors are worth investing in. Let's get started. Number 1. Energy sector. In these times, energy prices are rising, and investing in the energy sector today won't be a sound decision. However, analysts think that energy prices in 2023 will come to normal and might drop after a long period of inflation. Today, the energy market is inflated due to high demand and the Russian crude oil and gas ban. However, this will return to normalcy and the energy prices will drop, offering a great opportunity for investors to invest in 2023. After that, the price may continue to increase, following the same trend. In other words, in 2023, the energy price will dip for some time, letting seasoned investors make their move. Then, the prices will start to surge again. Number 2. Industrial sector. Industries all around the world are working at maximum, producing goods while the consumers are purchasing even after inflation. Soon, this trend will change and consumers will stop purchasing industrial goods due to the recession. It will be in 2023 when the demands will plummet, presenting investors with the opportunity to invest at low prices. But after any recession, as we all know, the market rebounds and the industries return on track. Industries are the biggest beneficiaries of recession, since they balance their sheets in the post-recession period. After every recession, consumers rush to buy products, as happened when lockdowns were waved off. It pushes the industries upward, offering a massive profit to investors. You will be investing at a time when the prices would be down and would benefit when the prices and demand increase. Before we continue further, tell us, are you loving this video? If yes, please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for more videos covering all finance and investment subjects. Let's continue now. Number 3. Financial sector. This year, the financial sector has lost its value. However, it has started to stabilize. It's due to the high interest rates all around the world due to record-breaking inflation. In turn, this attracts people who want to keep their money in savings accounts, thus providing banks with a lot of cash. That money can be offered in loans, and the banks can generate considerable revenue. The financial sector will continue to generate revenue until the end of 2022 and the start of 2023 when the recession worsens. People won't have the means to repay their loans, and banks have to bear losses. It will make the financial sector less lucrative, decreasing stock prices. This would be the point when you would invest in the financial sector. But it will come back on track, and perhaps the banking sector will make the most profit in the post-recession period, making your investment profitable. Number 4. Consumer discretionary. Consumer discretionary includes goods and services like automobiles, consumer durables, household durable, textiles, luxury goods, hotels, casinos, and entertainment. During the pandemic, this sector suffered a lot. After the lockdowns, it still didn't get sufficient time to recover. Analysts think that in 2023, consumer discretionary will be the sector that will rebound and increase its value. In the first few months of 2023, this sector will have the stock price at the lowest levels, after which the revival will start. Consumers will spend again on all these goods and services, making this sector stable and profitable. In other words, after 2023, consumer discretionary will start to gain value and its investors will make the most of the profit. And number 5, communication sector. The communication sector will be the one making an instant profit after 2023. Until now, companies in this sector focused more on getting subscriptions from clients, thus limiting their service to a selected community. It lowered their stock price, making the sector vulnerable to the recession. Netflix, for example, lost 63% of its value in 1 year, creating the best opportunity for investors. Companies like Meta Platform Incorporation and Alphabet Incorporation are also included in this sector, representing their potential. Collectively, this sector has lost 25% of its value this year, and the next year will be a revival. Companies in the communication sector will now focus on appreciating their value by adopting more inclusive strategies and adding more customers. Hence, this sector will become a prime focus of investment in 2023. Which of these sectors were you thinking of investing in before the video started? If you had these sectors in your mind, then you were on the right track. Comment right below in the comments section. Do you think there was some other sectors that we should have added?